Here is a fast and easy way to change the bit depth color settings in Adobe After Effects CC 2024. Changing the bit depth settings can be useful when working with gradients, glows, or color correction tools where you want to reduce banding, such as in gradients, which as you can see here. To change bit depth settings, go to the very bottom of the project panel, click on the button that says 8 BPC, or 8 bits per channel. That's going to open up project settings to the color tab. You can click the drop down to change the bit depth. But the fast and easy way, if you want to change the bit depth, hold Option or Alt and just click on the button. That's going to bypass the project settings and just allow you to cycle through the different bit depth. So Option or Alt click is going to change the bit depth. Just be aware that the higher the bit depth, it is going to affect the performance of your computer. So you might want to keep it on the 8 BPC unless you really need to change it. But my name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.